in this first video of our brand new mini series where we're going to talk about everything to do with fat loss for beginners. I'm going to show you guys the ultimate beginner workout. Hey everybody, how you all doing? Peter Carvell here. Now, today starts a brand new feature that we're going to do throughout this year from time to time, and that is a video mini-series. And in these series, what we are going to do is I am going to show you a couple, 3 or 4 more videos all related to the same topic. And for this very first one, we are going to talk about beginner fat loss, because this is such an important topic, and a topic that's very close to my own heart because I was there a few years ago and I still work with a lot of people who's complete beginners. And the problem is that most of the programs in the market are just too advanced. They extreme body transformation products that doesn't help people who needs to actually start developing habits first. And so today I'm going to show you the ultimate beginner workout. That's a very specific workout that has very specific things built into it to help beginners. On Wednesday, we're going to do a short coaching video where we're going to look at the specific exercise, diet, and mindset strategies that you need when you are just getting started to lose fat and get yourself back in shape. And then on Friday, I'm going to show you guys 3 recipes that's perfect for people who's just starting to eat healthy because they're quick to make, they're easy, and they're extremely tasty. But let's get going with this very first video where I'm going to show you guys the ultimate beginner workout. Now I'm going to quickly show you the workout structure, then I'm going to show you the exercises, and then afterwards, for those people who are interested, I'm going to go into more detail about why we specifically did this workout for beginners. So a very simple workout structure, 5 exercises, 5 very specific exercises, an upper body exercise, lower body exercise, a functional exercise, a cardio exercise, and a core exercise. I'll talk after the workout about why we picked these specific exercises. And then the workout structure is a complex workout structure. And that simply means you're going to do as many rounds as you can of these specific exercises in the specific order with these specific reps. So you're going to start with the very first functional exercise. You're going to do 6 reps. Then you're going to do the lower body exercise for 6 reps, upper body exercise for 6 reps, core exercise for 6 reps, and then we're going to finish off with 20 reps of the cardio exercise just to get your heart rate up nice and high throughout this workout. And then all you have to do is do that circuit as many times as you can over a 10-minute period. So let's quickly look at the exercises, and remember, you need to do them in the specific order. So there you go, guys. You know pretty much all these exercises, so very simple and very straightforward. But why these specific exercises and why this workout structure? Well, when you're just starting out and you're creating a workout for a beginner, what you want that workout to do is be a jack of all trades. You need to increase your cardiovascular fitness, increase your muscle strength, increase your muscle memory, etc., etc. But more importantly, it must also be fun, and it must be able to grow with that person, because the great thing is when you're just starting out, you're actually going to improve pretty quickly, okay? Unlike someone who's been training for 10 years where the improvements are very small. Your strength is going to increase drastically over the next month or so. Your cardiovascular fitness is going to increase drastically. But the great thing about this workout structure is as you become fitter, as you become stronger, you're going to be able to do more rounds in 10 minutes. So you can actually grow with this workout. And that is a great workout structure for beginners. So guys, there you go. Enjoy this workout. On Wednesday, we're going to do that coaching session. And on Friday, I'm going to show you some great recipes for beginners who's just starting out to transform their body and lose fat. And I will put all these videos in a little playlist once we are done with this week. So you can always go and check out all the videos in this little mini video series once you come and check out this very first video. So Share this with everybody who you know is just starting to lose fat, who's trying to get back into it, for whom the workouts and diet strategies out there is just too much. Maybe it's you, maybe it's a friend. Share this with them, like this video, and subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet. And I will see you in the next video on Wednesday. And as always, guys, have fun out there and keep it simple. Bye-bye.